Many of us speak of money, understand money intuitively rather than formally. The formal definition of money has very few simple concepts, and once we understand them, we will be able to participate in the discourses about money in a more effective manner, in a more intelligent manner. Money are spoken in reference to many things. How much money we have in savings bank account, how much I can spend, how can I travel more, how can I get more number of things for myself. As you could see, money first has to be defined at a given period of time as well as at a given point in time. How much money you get as salary over a given period of time. How much wages are paid by the company per month, per quarter, per half year, per year is the money that is spent by the company in keeping its business afloat. Now, given point in time is also equally important in understanding the concept of money. What is the wealth I have on 1st of April 2022 is the money that is owned by me at any point in time. Wealth is generally in monetary terms is called the stock concept or accumulation concept. Wealth is accumulation of money over different periods of time and is measured in different points in time. Money is a medium of exchange as well as a store of value. One of the primary functions for which money got evolved was to facilitate transactions. Money's transaction value, money as something which can enable you to exchange your wealth or your unit of wealth into a common medium which is acceptable by someone who has that commodity which is valuable to you. The store value of money is that when you don't require it, whether you can store it. Now there are two other concept of money, precautionary concept of money or the precautionary value of money. Money should be able to meet the unanticipated kind of expenditures that all of us face, whether it is a medical emergency, visit of an unwanted person, or a demand made by a relative which we must fulfill. The other concept of money for which money is utilized is called speculative value of money. Playing ability with the money with your concept of multiplying it further is known as the speculative value of money. Precautionary value, transactional value or speculative value as a medium of exchange or as a store of value, these are the interplaying concepts. Typically, central banks all over the world bucket these things into M1 and M2 and M3. M1 is real money, that is currency notes, and very short-term money and short amounts of money, which work as transaction money, precaution money, as well as speculative money. Then M2 is the near money, money in savings deposits, which are called checkable deposits, which are easily withdrawable without any big loss of value. This near money is generally added to the money or actual money that we have, and both these are reckoned together for the purpose of considering their usefulness for transaction value. There is also another group of money which is long-term deposits or fixed deposits where these can be encashed without lot of interest being lost or lot of principal value is being lost. Once these characteristics are there, this is called M3. Now M1 and M2 and M3, that is money held in currency and money held in near money and money held in long-term money which can be realized without much loss of value, is called the total money with the public. Some of the aspects like stock market, gold and real estate, which are the popular forms in which people store money as a store of value, money has a great utility. But if you store in value where it cannot be immediately realized, it cannot be called money in its true sense. It will be called wealth. It is not called money because it cannot be encashed readily. Stock markets many times are quite liquid. You can get your money back without any big hassles. Even then, they cannot be called money because they will have to be converted into money for payment of transactions. To recapitulate, money must have a transaction value. It must be usable in making a transaction attain completion. Money must have a protection value. It can be used to meet unforeseen expenditure. And money should be able to help you in gaining speculative assets. Rest, although we may be understanding as money, they are actually wealth, or they are assets, or they are stocks. I hope this small exposition will help you clarify your concept about money and wealth. Thank you very much.